Okay, I'm not done yet. Driving back home, so I upload this video. Back to Rob's issue with the gun stock. What we have noticed is if you do not start your runs absolutely perfectly straight, in other words, if you screw up on that first or second row and it's slightly off, then you're going to have issues with your entire room of floor about it not wanting to lock together properly. So it's very important that that first row, and when you lock in that second row into the first row, it's got to be dead on, no cracks, no gray lines whatsoever. You want to make sure everything lays down properly, and once you get that, then you should be smooth sailing from there. So if you have a piece that's not wanting to lock together properly, then you just stop and you say, okay, something's going on here. Let's just see what's happening. You may have to take your rubber mallet and lightly tap that locking mechanism on the side, and just make sure it's embedded properly into that lock. These locks have extremely tight tolerances, and even the knives that cut the locking system, the tolerance is like less than 1/1000th of an inch, and they are continuously gauging that lock and verifying all throughout the total run that locking mechanism is performing properly. So we've never had an issue with the lock, and we've sold a few million square feet of SUPERcore so far. So anyway, I just wanted to add that how important it was that I'm sure I'm breaking some laws here, driving on I-26 while taking a video talking about flooring in a bunch of traffic, but hey, that's what I do. Anyway, so I'm gonna sign off again. Hey, I'm gonna load this up to YouTube so you can watch it. And if anyone, I mean Rob, whoever, if you ever have issues when you're installing our product and you have questions, I don't care what day of the week it is, I don't care what time of the day it is, call. And if possible, if on the weekend especially, we don't really have anyone on the phones on the weekend, everything gets forwarded to me. If I see you call, I'm gonna do my darndest to call you back if possible. That's just what we're all about. We're trying to provide you a great product and trying to really giving you service second to none. So not only can I be in Johnson City, Tennessee, and have this product, and you be, say, Washington State, even though you're all the way across the country, I want you to kind of have a lifeline where you can pick that phone up and you can call us. And if you have an issue or if you have a question, just call us, and I'll do my very best to answer it and take care of any kind of problem you have. So thanks again for all your business. Have a great day.